Welcome, food lovers! My name is Joy, and with this channel, I want to share my love for Filipino food with you. In today's video, we will supercharge Philippines' favorite dish, chicken adobo, by adding Sprite and pineapple. I learned this recipe by watching my grandmother when I was a child. I still remember sitting beside her while impatiently waiting for her to finish cooking. I always recommend marinating the chicken for at least 3 hours and even better overnight. In this video, I will show you the quicker version as most people these days are time poor. In my original chicken adobo recipe, I mentioned my preference in using dark colored ones for the soy sauce, as those are better suited for adobo. You can also use lighter colored soy sauce. I usually use white vinegar. You can substitute it with apple cider vinegar or cane vinegar. As with all my other chicken adobo recipes, I suggest a simple citrusy green salad or a shredded raw carrot salad as a side dish. This recipe should take you 45 to 55 minutes of total preparation time. For this recipe, we will need 32 ounces of bone-in chicken thighs or drumstick, 2/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of Sprite, 1 cup of chunk pineapple, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 3 small onions, peeled and chopped, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger, 5 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped chili. First, we will start by marinating the chicken. Place the chicken into a large glass bowl. Add the soy sauce, pepper, vinegar, Sprite, and pineapple, and garlic. Now you can use your hands to mix all the ingredients. Put the bowl aside to let it marinate while we start heating an 11-inch shallow casserole. You can also use a similar size straight-sided sauté pan. Start with low heat and add the oil. Once the oil is heated, add the onions and mix well until golden. Add the chicken. Keep turning it until it turns brown. Keep the marinated sauce aside as we will use it later. We can now add the water, the marinated sauce, the chili, and the bay leaves. Increase the heat to medium. Cover the casserole for about 35 minutes until tender when paired with a pork. Avoid cooking adobo on high heat, making the chicken hard with an aftertaste. This dish is best served immediately while still hot. If you have leftovers, put them into the refrigerator and make delicious chicken adobo fried rice. One of our following videos will show you how to make this in less than 15 minutes of total preparation time. Thank you for watching and enjoy your meal.